Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. This is my hydro store, and my absolute favorite, have you ever hydro question that customers ask. Ready? You'll come in the door and you'll say, hey, my plants aren't growing like they're supposed to. Have you ever heard of this soil or cocoa or that soil or that cocoa, or mixing this soil with that cocoa, or living soil, or adding products like vermiculite or bone meal or blood meal? Have you ever heard of the perfect soil that'll solve my drainage problem? And I say, yes, I have. But I don't carry living soil. You shouldn't be growing in 100-gallon buckets indoors, right? And it's not the soil that's causing the drainage problem. I'm the Grow Boss. If your garden doesn't look like it's supposed to, you're probably going to want to go to my website, pick up a copy of my book, The Grow Book and Equipment Guide. You might want to log on to my weekend webcast, Saturdays, 10 a.m. on YouTube. You can StreamYard in, show us your garden. Because if you're still playing the Have You Ever Hydros, then you're not getting colas like this in every trellis hole. TheGrowBoss.com.